Hi friends, welcome to New Business Ideas. Today we look into the business, how to make money with 3D printing business. 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, is a process that builds objects layer by layer using materials such as plastics, metals, and even ceramics. There's no need to monitor the entire printing process as the 3D printer is connected to the computer. And making changes to the design is also easy, as you only need to change the data and feed it into the software. In recent years, 3D printing technology has revolutionized the manufacturing industry. This technology has found applications in various industries, including aerospace, healthcare, automotive, and fashion. Therefore, the 3D printing business can offer many lucrative opportunities due to its tremendous growth in the market and is a dynamic and ever-growing industry with unlimited potential. Here in this video, we will walk you through the essential steps to kickstart your own 3D printing business. Market opportunities for 3D printing business. Over the years, 3D printing has evolved from a niche technology to a mainstream tool used in prototyping, production, and customization. The global 3D printing market is projected to reach a market valuation of $27.7 billion by the year 2023. Accelerating with an impressive CAGR of 21% from 2023 to 2033. The 3D printing market share is expected to value at about $186.4 billion by 2023 end. This growth is driven by the demand for customized and on-demand manufacturing solutions across various sectors. Additionally, industries such as healthcare, aerospace, automotive, and consumer goods have embraced 3D printing for its ability to create complex, customized parts and prototypes. And this widespread adoption opens up diverse market segments for entrepreneurs. Investment for 3D printing business. Starting a 3D printing business in India can be a promising venture, but you would need to budget for the purchase of 3D printers and related equipment, such as filaments, resin, and maintenance tools. High-quality 3D printers can range from 50,000 rupees to several lakh rupees, depending on their specifications and capabilities. Additionally, setting up a workspace, acquiring software licenses, and investing in marketing and promotional activities should also be factored in. Overall, a small-scale 3D printing service or startup can get started with an investment ranging from 2 to 5 lakh rupees for essential equipment, software, and materials. And while larger operations with more advanced equipment and capabilities could require a higher initial investment. License and permits for 3D printing business. Starting a 3D printing business requires several licenses and permits to ensure compliance with legal and regulatory frameworks. Firstly, one must obtain a business registration. Additionally, a goods and services tax or GST registration is mandatory for tax purposes. To operate a 3D printing business, it is essential to secure an industrial license. Moreover, compliance with intellectual property rights or IPR laws is crucial to avoid copyright infringement. Environmental clearances must be necessary if the printing process involves any potentially harmful emissions or waste disposal. Finally, adherence to local municipal regulations and zoning laws is imperative to establish the physical location of the 3D printing facility. Location and space for 3D printing business. The space required to start a 3D printing business largely depends on the scale and scope of operations. For a small-scale venture focused on manufacturing small objects or prototypes, a space of around 300 to 500 square feet may be sufficient. However, if the business aims to handle large projects or offer a wide range of services, a space above 1000 square feet would be more suitable. This includes areas for 3D printing, workstations for design and post-processing, storage for raw materials, and small office space for administrative tasks. Additionally, it is important to consider factors such as ventilation, electricity, and safety measures when deciding the best location for a 3D printing business. Raw material for 3D printing business. To start a 3D printing business, you will need a range of raw materials. The primary raw material for 3D printing is the filament, typically made from materials like PLA or polylactic acid or ABS, acrylonitrile butadiene styrene. These filaments come in various colors and are essential for creating physical objects. Other necessary materials include build platforms, maintenance tools, and safety equipment. And sourcing these materials and equipment can be done through local suppliers or online platforms like IndiaMart or Alibaba websites, making it relatively accessible for aspiring entrepreneurs to enter the 3D printing industry. Machine selection for 3D printing business. Starting a 3D printing business requires several essential machines and equipment. Selecting the appropriate 3D printing equipment is a pivotal decision. The type of machines you choose will determine the range of products you can offer and their quality. First and foremost, you will need a 3D printer, which is the core of your operation. The type and specifications of the 3D printer will depend on the scale and complexity of the projects you intend to undertake. Additionally, a computer or workstation with suitable design software is necessary for creating and optimizing 3D models. To finish and refine printed objects, equipment like post-processing tools such as sanders and painting supplies is crucial. Lastly, storage and organization solutions for materials and finished prints are valuable for keeping your workspace efficient. Running process. The manufacturing process for a 3D printing business involves several key steps. It begins with the creation of a digital 3D model using computer-aided design or CAD software. This model serves as a blueprint for the physical object that will be printed. Next, the 3D printer reads the digital file and begins to layer material, typically plastic, metal, or resin, in accordance with the model specifications. This additive manufacturing process builds up the object layer by layer, fusing the material together to create a solid three-dimensional product. Once the printing is complete, any support structures may be removed, and the object may undergo additional post-processing steps such as sanding, painting, or assembly, depending on the specific requirements. Quality control measures are implemented to ensure the final product meets the desired specifications and standards. Finally, the finished items are packaged and prepared for distribution or delivery to the client. Marketing tips for 3D printing business. To succeed in the 3D printing business, it's essential to employ effective marketing strategies. First and foremost, understanding your target audience is crucial. Building a strong online presence is also key. Utilize social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn to engage with potential clients and showcase your innovative creations. Also use an e-commerce platform and a professional website to showcase your 3D printing capabilities. Furthermore, collaborate with local businesses, especially those in industries like manufacturing, healthcare, and education, to tap into potential partnerships and clients. Lastly, provide excellent customer service, and fostering word-of-mouth recommendations can go a long way in gaining trust and sustainable growth in the competitive 3D printing industry. If you want to know more information about this business, please check our website and the link in the video description. We hope in this video it helped you to initiate your own business. If you liked the video, please give it a like and comment. Thank you for watching, friends. For more business ideas, subscribe to New Business Ideas.